Welcome again to Budget with Brian. And one of the things I've got to show you today is a special offer from ScrewFix. And when you're on site, you need various screws, various sizes. Never got them at the right time, in the right size, right package, and so on. This is a compendium of screws. It's got several different sizes and types. Two boxes have been used out of here already, but look at all those. So you've got all the different sizes in there. So you've got 3.5 by 40 mil. You've got 4 by 50 mil. This one is 6 by 100 mil. That's 4 inches in old money. And here is a 5 by 60, very commonly used screw. This one's a 5 by 50, and this one is a 4 by 40. And I'm not sure which ones have been have gone, but a very useful pack, and that was about 15 quid. That was well worth having. This is one of the 5 by 50s. You might ask why I'm using these. Well, first of all, gold screws seem to work so much better and don't shear than the zinc plated ones. It's obviously Phillips. It's got a cutter head to it to countersink it, and in general, go for gold screws every time. Slightly more expensive than the zinc ones, but worth it. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. There are links to these on Twitter and Instagram. They're down below. And of course, subscribe. And if you have any comments, always welcome to hear your viewpoints.